Once you have selected the assets you would like to monitor, the next step is, of course, installing the hardware. Our hardware is installed in the motor control cabinet. We have some sensors that are collecting data for voltage and amperage. Using the data acquisition device, we are able to transform the analog signals that our sensors are collecting into a digital signal. That will then be used by our algorithms to train the expected behavior and to be able to pinpoint when things are out of this scope of expected behavior. Basically, the installation tends to be way more straightforward because we don't need to be installing on the assets themselves, but we are actually installing in the motor control cabinets. It is still a crucial step to make sure that we gather accurate data and that we can trust the monitoring later on.